Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Suzuki INTRUDER VOLUSIA. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 14,617 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and installed new rear tires. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are blemishes on the rear fender. This trike has 2 keys and has been upgraded with an aftermarket trike kit, a passenger backrest, a luggage rack, and an aftermarket exhaust. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.